Hi guys, and welcome to Cooking with Karma. Now this week is all about desserts that can be made in the microwave. On Monday I showed you how to make that deliciously creamy microwave cheesecake, and today we're going to make some chocolate caramel lava cakes. Now the great thing about these is not only do they taste delicious, but they only take 30 seconds to cook. So I really hope you like them. Let's get started and I'll show you how to make them. First up, into a bowl we're going to add in the flour, the cocoa powder, the brown sugar, the vanilla, the beaten egg, the oil, a pinch of salt, and finally the milk. Then simply give that a good mix together until everything is well combined. Then all we need to do is pour our mixture into our pre-greased ramekins about 2/3 of the way up. Then taking our caramel, we're going to place a nice big dollop into the centre of each one. Then into the microwave for 30 seconds. Once out of the microwave, dust it with some icing sugar. Then once cooled slightly, you're ready to tuck in. Super easy, super quick, and super delicious. With that great combination of chocolate and gooey caramel, these are bound to be a hit for your next dessert, so I really hope you give them a go. Thanks again for joining me, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all next time on Cooking with Karma.